Welcome back, students. Today we are going to see chapter number 24, volume. In last chapter we have seen area. Area we are finding for the flat figures, plane figures. Yes, but when we are finding the volume, that is for solids figures. Yes. And what are solid? The object having definite shape and size are called solid. Yes. Solid objects occur in different shapes. We are already familiar with the shapes of some solids shown below. Already we have seen cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. These are the solid shapes. Yes. Each of these solid shape is having some amount of space. Means inside the solid some amount of space is given. Yes. And that amount of space is known as the volume. See, each of these solid occupies a certain amount of space called volume. Now, let us see what is this cuboid, cube and everything. See, cuboid is what? A solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. Faces means what? The flat surface of the cube. Okay. First we will write the solid heading, solid definition. Okay. After the solid definition, you just write example and draw this. Okay. All solid shapes. Then write the volume heading, or afterwards it is given. So first you write down the cuboid definition. A solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. Faces means every flat surface, cuboid, every flat surface of a cuboid. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, downside 4, this is 5 and backside is 6. Like this 6 flat surface, rectangular faces. Example is given here: matchbox, chalk box, a brick, a tile, a book, almirah, etc. are all examples of cuboid. Okay. Now see cube. This also you are going to write. Cube is what? Same way. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called a cube. See here in the cube figure, length, breadth and height you can see. Okay. Length, breadth and height. This is length, this is breadth and this is your height. Here also length, breadth and this is standing side is height, like that. So in cube all are equal. Yes. So a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called cube. Okay. Example: dice, ice cube, sugar cubes, etc. all examples of a cube. Now we are going to see volume of a solid. Volume of a solid heading you have tried. Definition: the measure of the amount of space occupied by a solid is called its volume. Measure of the amount of space occupied by a solid is called its volume. Okay. So here we are going to learn the methods of finding the volume of cuboid and cube. Okay. Two solid shapes, volume, how to find out, that we are going to see in this chapter. Units of volume. Now we have seen that in area, if centimeter is given, we are writing square centimeter as the unit. If meter is there, we are writing square meter as the unit. But for volume, cubic centimeter unit is used. Yes, cubic centimeter or cubic meter. Cubic centimeter means what? The volume of a cube of age 1 centimeter is called 1 cubic centimeter. So we denote it by 1 cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube. Both are having same value. Okay. So just write down this and these units. Okay. Second is cubic meter. The volume of a cube of age 1 meter is called 1 cubic meter, and we denote by 1 cubic meter or 1 meter cube. Okay. So after cubic meter, just write down these 2 units. Okay. Now see next one. Volume of a cuboid and volume of a cube. Heading write down. Here directly example is given. We will see the example. Find the volume of a cuboid of length 4 cm, breadth 3 cm and height 1 cm. So first it is given what? We may divide into number of cubes each of 1 cm. See. This is the length. So it is 4 cm. So it is divided into small squares like this. Breadth is 3. Yes. This length is 3 cm. And this is your 1 cm height. Okay. So each one is divided into 1 cm cube. So how many cubes are there? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For the length, 12 cubes. Yes. So see here. Length into breadth into height. 4 into 3 into 1. 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 12 cubic centimeter. And these sides are attached with this only. So this will make a cube. So total 12 cubes are there. Okay. So in each rectangle we are using the formula same for cuboid. What is that? Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Cubic units. Units means what here? Maybe it is meter, centimeter, like that. Okay. So cuboid is having length, breadth and height. So cube is having what? Cube is having length is equal to breadth is equal to height. Cube में length, breadth और height equal होते हैं. So what is the formula for volume of a cube? Volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side, because all are equal. Cubic units. Okay. So what you will do? After the heading you just write down the formulas. क्यूबिक यूनिट्स आप फॉर्मूला में लिख रहे हैं, पर प्रॉब्लम में एग्जांपल्स में आपको यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर दिया है तो सेंटीमीटर लिखना है, क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, अगर मीटर दिया है तो क्यूबिक मीटर लिखना है. ओके. नाउ सी सम स्मॉल एग्जांपल्स. Example 1. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are 12 cm, 8 cm and 6.5 cm. Find its volume. Length of cuboid is 12 cm, breadth of cuboid is 8 cm and height of the cuboid is 6.5 cm. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. 12 into 8 into 6.5 cubic centimeter. 624 cubic centimeter. After multiplying it, we get the answer like this. Okay. Hence, the volume of the cuboid is 624 cubic centimeter. Next one. Example 2. Find the volume of a cube whose each edge measures 8 centimeter. Length of each side of the cube is 8 centimeter. So, volume of the cube is equal to side into side into side cubic units. Okay. So 8 into 8 into 8 cubic centimeter, units centimeter. So after multiplying we get the answer 512 cubic centimeter. Hence the volume of the cube is 512 cubic centimeter. Now see example 3. How many bricks, each 24 centimeter long, 12.5 cm wide and 8 cm thick, will be required to build a wall 18 meter long, 2.5 meter high and 40 cm thick? Yes. So length of the wall is equal to 18 meter is equal to 1800 centimeter. See. Here all units are in centimeter and here only this is in meter. So we are converting that, and this also we are going to convert. So see, next is height of the wall is 2.5 meter, that is 2050 centimeter. मीटर का सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करना है, दूसरे सेंटीमीटर में यूनिट से, इसलिए थिकनेस ऑफ द वॉल इज 40 सेंटीमीटर. So volume of the wall is length into height into thickness cubic units. So it 1800 into 250 into 40 cubic centimeter. Now length of brick, breadth of brick and thickness of the brick all are in centimeter. Volume of the brick is like this. Now the number of bricks required is equal to volume of the wall upon volume of the brick. Volume of the wall upon volume of one brick. So put the values, divide it, multiply it. Okay. Here 12.5 is given, that's why a point is removed here and 10 is written here into 10. Yes. So here we can divide in this way. See, 8 ones are 8, 8 5s are 40. Okay. Then 25s are 21, 25 10s are 250 and 25 6s are 125. 5s are 25, 5s are 125. Then what we will do? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now here 3 6s are 3 8s are 24, 3 6s are 18, 600. Okay. Now again 600 divided with 8, 8 ones are 8 and 600. 8 7s are 56, 4 remain 0, 8 5s are 40. 75 into 10 into 5 into 2. So 5 into 2 again 10. So 75 into 100. So we get the answer 7500. Like this. आपको यही पे multiply और divide करके answer find करना है. Okay. This type of problems already we have solved in area chapter. Now see. Hence the number of bricks required is 7500. 7500. Now example 4. How many boxes each of size 12 cm into 8 cm into 6 cm can be packed in a carton of size 6 cm, 48 cm, 36 cm? बिल्कुल ऊपर के जैसे प्रॉब्लम है. साइज ऑफ each box is 12 cm multiply 8 cm into 6 cm. Okay. So length of the box, breadth of the box and height of the box. So volume of one box is 12 into 8 into 6 cubic centimeter. Size of each carton is 60 centimeter into 48 centimeter into 36. So length of each carton 60 centimeter. Breadth of each carton 48 centimeter. Height of each carton 36 centimeter. So volume of each carton is multiplication of all 60 into 48 into 36 cubic centimeter. So required number of boxes is equal to volume of one carton upon volume of one box. Okay. So write down values and multiply here. 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48, 6 ones are 8, 6 6 are 36, 12 ones are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 6 5s are 30, 36 are 180. Answer is 180. Okay. These are the some solved examples. Yes. After the formula, what you will do? One example you can write here. This and this two examples you write down. Solve examples. And after that we are going to, by using same method for each problem, we are going to solve exercise 79. And that we are going to see in next period. Okay. 79 exercise we are going to solve in next period. So till then, bye.